Hey everybody, it's Cora. Thanks for dropping in. I have a new bag to go over with you all, and this is from Petunia Pickle Bottom. This is the Method backpack, and this one in particular is in the Shimmery Minnie Mouse. I have this packed up for my two little girls, a 2-year-old and a 7-month-old. I will be going over how I have it packed, the features, how it looks on the body, even on the stroller. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm actually really surprised how much this bag fits. It doesn't look that big of a bag, but it fits a lot. So just going up here in the front, we'll just look around this bag. I have this pretty packed up. So let's get started. Up in the front, I do have a hand sanitizer holder with hand sanitizer, and it does come with this Minnie Mouse bag charm. And here on top, there is a zippered compartment that is lined with some felt, and it's still so brand new. I still have that card still in there. Here in the front, there are these two open pockets. This side is, as you can see, I have lots of wipes. I have wipes for everything. And that is that pocket up in the front. It's not insulated. Here on this side, I do have a spoon and a case. And I do have some disposable bibs and disposable placemats along with some stickers. And this pocket as well is not insulated. These pockets aren't very big per se. I was able to slide, as you can see, these thin wipes in there and thin things in there. I'm sure you can probably fit a bottle, but again, since these pockets don't expand very much, a lot of this item would probably go inside the bag, or they'll form inside the bag as well. So just kind of keep that in mind if you don't have this bag. Here on the side, I do have a 12-ounce water bottle for my toddler. And this pocket right here is insulated. On this side, I do have my bottle warmer. And this is by Baby's Brew. In this pocket as well, it's also insulated. The back of the backpack, it does have these two D-rings with a yellow gold colored finish. Has the grab handle, which is kind of like a seatbelt material, and the backpack straps are padded, and they're also like a seatbelt material, but on the underside there is some padding to it. And what I like about this backpack is it has a zippered back pocket, and in here I usually put my cell phone and my wallet. Just as an example to show you, this is my iPhone 13 Pro, and it fits in there like that. This way, well, this is how it looks up in the front. I like the way this bag opens. It has these two zipper pulls. You do see the yellow gold colored hardware, and then the nameplate right there is also that shiny yellow gold colored hardware as well. And I also like this D-ring that's up in the front on some of the Petunia Pickle Bottom bags. It gives me a space to go ahead and put my hand sanitizer holders and some cute charms. And I'm glad that this one comes with. Okay, and then the way this opens, it opens like that, and it's a flap. And inside, just as you know, I am a pouch packer. And I've noticed that my Jujube B-set pieces, this color is in blush and this color is in linen. It works perfectly with this bag. I thought it's just beautiful. It's just really, really pretty to look at. So here in the front, I have a large set piece, and this is in the blush chromatics. And in here, I have 2 sets of clothes for both my daughters. And then here, I have a Jujube Be Quick. And in here, I have 2 sets of diapers, a size 5 and a size 2, along with some whites and a Jujube Light change pad in here. And then here is my nursing cover. My daughter is half and half of being breastfed and with supplemented with formulas. Back here, I do have a zippered pocket, and in here I do have some teething crackers. And then this is what it looks inside. There are pockets in here as well, but I actually use the Intermix Deluxe Kit inside this bag. It kind of fits in there, not quite. It kind of caves in on itself, but I try to make it fit because I do like the little compartments in there that I'm able to stick things into. So this one right here is my first aid kit. This is a custom made piece from the Happy Hippo, and I'm very proud of this first aid kit. It's everything and anything I would like to have on me. And as you can see, that is what it looks with the Intermix Deluxe Kit. And here are the grab handles for that. So I'll just go ahead and remove it out one by one. I do have an 8-ounce Phillips Avent bottle. And then in this little compartment here, I have some formula. I also can use this as a snack case as well. But for right now, I do have formula in here, and each one has about 4 ounce worth of milk. And then what I like about this Intermix Deluxe Kit, I don't have the pixels that are in here. I decided to just use this as kind of a dividing organization area, but my Bent Go snack container fits in here, right in the middle where the cool pixel would be. And I have 2 of this, and I actually can fit both if I wanted to put some in there, but I have one in there for now. And then this compartment, I just have some other snacks. So if I pull this out, as you can see, it kind of folds in on itself, but it somewhat fits in there, and I like how this organizes the bag a little bit more. Inside here, you can see it's just a big wide open space. There are mesh pockets. There's one on this side here, a long mesh elastic band pocket here as well on the back side of the bag, and then another mesh pocket on this side as well. So just to show you how it looks, if I was to put a large cylinder shaped item in the pocket here, so like that would be my biggest item. As you can see in here inside, it takes up some space as well. I mean, it just depends on how big of a item that you put in here. It does take up space in that middle pocket. And like, for example, this is the 12-ounce water bottle I have in there. So this one's not so bad, but it does take some space in there, as you can see. Kind of bulges out inside this mesh pocket. Otherwise, this bag is so adorable. I really like how this packs, and I like the pockets up in the front. I thought it would be kind of weird to kind of have things that are just kind of open up here, but it makes sense when you want to just quickly grab some, but this is great. And then I like little pockets that I can put some of my stuff in.